Today we're here to introduce the game and the storyline for it. So your science teacher hid all of his simple machines. Someone believes that if you put the machines together, they create a powerful weapon. If they're not found in 45 minutes, a person will come, build it, and destroy the Earth. We believe the key to solving the problem involves programming it on the computer. You must find the website, the simple machines, and the clues to saving the school. Once you have found these, you must open the safe, which is also hidden. Inside of the safe is the key to destroy the weapon. We wish you good luck in saving the Earth.
Okay, so we're gonna tell you what the materials for the Breakout game are. This is a hasp, and it's what will connect the locks to the box, and it lets you put multiple locks on one box. And then this is a number letter lock, and then the code is set to axles with a 3 instead of an E, and that will go on the box. Then this is a direction lock, and the code for that will be up, down, down, up, down. This is a black light pen, and it'll be used to find black light on pieces of paper. Then this is a number lock, which will also be on the Breakout box, and its code is 1320. This is a cryptex, and it will have a flash drive in it, and the code will be 46065599. And then this is a lockbox, and the code is 143. And then that will have just some papers in it for the game. And then this is a wooden Breakout box that will have, pretty much anything you want to put in it, and that's when they win the game. They'll open the box and they'll win.
Here are our items for our downloadable folder. So there's 4 different categories for items. We're going to start with this category, which is the items which are hidden in the room. So we have this note card, which most people might think it's just an ordinary note card in your room, but it has the code on the back for the small black box right here, where it says 143. We have these 2 papers, which will be found in the room, which you put this paper on top, like this, and it gives you code to the directional lock, up, down, down, up, down. And there's also invisible ink somewhere on this page, right here, which 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, which is the code. So it's up, down, down, up, down. That's the code. So we're through this. This category for these 3 items are things are on around the room, like in plain sight. We have this sheet of paper, which it has been revised, so you'll see a different version in the downloadable folder. But it says goo.goal/GVQHHF right here, which the link, it's something to something useless for the for the Breakout. It's there to distract people. We have this, which is for your letter lock code, which tells you that when you get an E, switch it to 3 and add a S. And we have here this, which is also there to distract you. And that's our stuff around the room. We have this, which is in the small black box, which you'll have unlocked from the code on the back of this, which has a few links on here. And this sheet, which has a link somewhere. On the back, there's a link that's there's a clue that says 9606599 which is the code to the cryptex, which you'll see. Well, was shown earlier. And here, this is what's in this box at the end. This would have been found in here. And those are our downloadables.
Okay, so these 3 sheets of paper right here are going to be sheets of paper that'll just be in the open, not hidden. And this will be the box with the 3 locks, the directional lock, the 4-digit number lock, and the number and 5-digit number and letter lock. So anyway, well, this, like it says, it's just here to distract you. We don't have enough clues yet, and it will be needed later in the game. And well, so this just leaves this, and as you can see, there's a link right here. If you look hard enough, you can see a link within this math problem. So I'll go to the computer, which already has a map that's open to it, but we won't need that yet. Anyway, once I type it in, it goes to this game. So if you play the game, there's a time limit, so it's hard, so you might have to retry a few times. And that's it. Then you will see that a link comes up on a pulley, and it's once you type that in, it just takes you to a random website, so that was a red herring. So then there's useless buttons on it. These are also red herrings. And so that ends it. Now you figure out that these 2 things are both red herrings and they're useless. So anyway, if you search, you'll find a black box somewhere in the room, a black light, a pen, which has the black light, so that you can find clues. And then there's a card that says gemstone. It looks like just a regular flashcard or note card that somebody may have dropped, but it actually has to do with the game. And if you shine the black light on it, you'll find some numbers on it, 1, 4, 3, and those are the digits to this black box. And then it opens, and inside the black box you'll find a sheet of paper. It has a painting on it, another math problem looking thing, and that's all. So now this is not going to be needed for us again. Okay, so first I will start with this math problem, and if you shine the black light on it, there's nothing on the front page, but if you look on the back, you can see some other numbers. And if you were looking, and you may have found this cryptex, so it's hidden somewhere in the room. And so once you find all these numbers, these are the passcodes to the cryptex. So okay, so as the black light showed, now I have the code to this cryptex that you found hidden in the room. And then if you put in the correct digits, it should open. And inside it there will be a flash drive. This flash drive, let's put into the computer, will take you to a website. And on there's the website, and once you go onto it, it'll show this little video, and that says Axel. So then you know that over here the passcode's Axel, but if you try Axel, well, you'll see that there's no E on this, and well, then you'll have seen this sheet of paper that says E equals 3 and add S. So now you know that for Axel, you'll have to add the one that should be an E. You have to change that to a 3 and then add S. So it'll become Axels with a 3, and that unlocks this lock. So now you're done with this lock, and now there's 2 more to go. Okay. So you would have seen this. This was the other thing, that the sheet of paper that was in the black box. So you're all done with this. You would have seen this sheet of paper in the black box. There's 2 links on the sheet of paper. The first one Okay, so once you've typed that in, it'll show you this. Now, after looking through the room, you may have found this sheet and another sheet with some holes in it, but you won't need this sheet yet. You'll see that on this website, you'll see that it gives you directions on how to solve for how much force a pulley uses, and so it says find the effort needed to pull the pulley. So you have to find the effort needed, and as it says that the effort, since there's 2 pulleys, you'll have to divide the amount of newtons shown here into 2. So you'll go into your calculator and you'll do the math. And you'll get 1320, which will be the code for this. One, 3, 4, 0. Oh well. Yeah. Oh, 1320. Sorry. I put it in wrong. Okay. And that should unlock this lock. So now we're done with this. Now all we have left is the directional lock. Well, there is another link on this, so you might want to try that out. Okay, so once you've typed that in, well, it looks like this was the same thing as the first one, so it was just the same thing, so that means you're done with this. It was just kind of another red herring. So then you'll see this sheet. Okay, so well, you'll see this sheet, and then there's another sheet with holes cut out, and if you put the sheet with the holes cut out over the pulley sheet, you'll see that U's and D's are shown, which will signify up, down, down, up, down. And you don't know the order of them, but if you shine a light underneath each letter, you'll see that in invisible ink it'll show the order of it. So so it'll be up, down, down, up, down. So up, down,
down, and that will unlock the directional lock. Now you've unlocked all of the locks, and you open this, then you'll find this open, and in it you will find a sheet that says you saved the school, and then the game is over.